Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. So this video, I will be doing technical analysis on Dolat Algotech. Dolat Algotech has results coming out next week. It's very important to watch the earnings. The last quarter, there was a slight dip because of which the stock corrected. Now, if I go back to the weekly time frame, here the stock had corrected. I think somewhere here I had done another video to suggest that there might be some bear trapping, there might be some consolidation, but it's gone on for a bit longer than usual. And this is probably because the stock is being accumulated at these lower levels. We see a nice base forming over a longer time frame. And now the stock is getting poised to ride up high again. This is happening a lot because of the earnings that is out. Probably a lot of people are expecting the stock to do really well. That's why it's trying to break this range it had formed over the last couple of months. Again, as with all of our videos, this is not investment advice. Please consult your financial advisor uh, or a licensed professional to take a call on this stock. This is not advice at all, and this is purely educational. All right, so let's move ahead. This base has been formed from a couple of months and now it's moving higher. I'm guessing probably the insiders are expecting good results. The stock was kept a bit low like this just because of accumulation that wanted to happen. You can see these last three bars right here. The volume is heavy and I'm presuming a lot of it is delivery volume. So this is kind of important because if this continues for another few days, we'll see it break out of the range and go on its next leg higher. A lot of supply and demand traders, you will understand that you all have probably entered here and you all are looking to exit sometime here or like even higher if it goes higher. But for people that are accumulating the stock or looking for fresh entry, I think you have your fresh entry here. You probably had it a few days back itself. If you just take this trend line right here, you see the range has been broken. So let's just wait for Monday. I think we'll see a new leg high start. That is what I think is going to happen. And if you just see this base that was formed here, it was a very nice base of accumulation. And while a lot of other stocks were hot and they were going higher, like your BCGs, your Kelton Techs, this has sort of maintained its range. But one thing good about the company, if you go to the fundamentals, they are quite solid. The last quarter wasn't as solid, but the fundamentals overall are quite solid. The return metrics are quite solid. People that have taken my course in fundamental and technical analysis would understand why this is a great stock and why I'm doing this video right now to let you know that that there's a good entry into the stock so that you can also analyze and take an informed decision based on what you see. And Wednesday or Thursday, whenever the results are out, it'll clear up the process even more. So I'll just get rid of these trend lines. And now if I go to like a longer time frame and I go to the weekly chart, you can see slowly popping up. So I'm expecting it to come somewhere here. This is approximately the 120 levels. I'm expecting it to come somewhere back here. And this is also an example of a stock which has remained in a range, which has gone unnoticed. They've also changed their name to Dolat Algotech. I think that's a very interesting branding play. Algotech, algorithmic trading. It sounds quite cool and it's like a buzzword today. So that's why keep a close eye on this stock. I will do another video. I will voice it in the community and I will discuss this further. But I'm expecting it to break out post Wednesday's results or Thursday's results. But obviously the results have to support this breakout. If the results are bad, then we see it fall and go back into the stagnating range. And if the market corrects, the overall market, like your Nifty small cap and your Nifty mid cap, then I'm sure this will correct with it as well. So let's keep an eye out for Wednesday, Thursday, and let's see. But otherwise, as a company, fundamentally solid. So definitely keep this on your radar. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.